Book haul. Let's get started. Okay. Now I've kept this thing like empty because I would put up the prices of the books that I will show you guys. Now the first one, it's a romance series actually. It's a series by Lauren Usher. It is the Dreamland Billionaire series. Is it not? Okay, fine. It's showing it. So it's the Dreamland Billionaire series. So the thing about this series is that everywhere in Misho you can get this series within a range of 250. Okay, so I'm a little shocked. Like, why are they putting this whole series in in so small price? But I guess okay, since I can manage to get hold of mine, so I got it. See, you cannot like expect a very healthy, a very good book with this price because they're giving. I got it for 246. Okay, three books for 246. Okay, now you cannot expect somebody to give you like the best quality books in this range, but you can definitely get something which is readable. And I mean, if you look at the first book, yeah. So if you look at the first book, it is damn good from the front. Okay, it is damn good from the front. Okay, now how to recognize if it's a good book or not? Now, see, now the font, which is like, it is a little shady, not like very much. Sometimes the font is a little big, sometimes it's a little small. Oh, वो चलता है मतलब you feel this is like something if you're getting for 250 rupees, then I think these mistakes are valid. Similarly for the next two ones, terms and conditions and final offer, I mean, it's damn good from the front. Okay, it's damn good from the front. Similarly, again, if you are looking for the, see, again, same thing, font is a little short in some places, long in some places, so it is manageable. Okay, now if you're wondering the order, so the first one is the fine print. You have to start with the fine print. Second is the terms and conditions, the second one, and the third one is the final offer. So it is about, I feel these three are about three brothers of some millionaire or billionaire or something, and I think their romance follows. Okay, so these three. So everybody, I guess, might have figured it out that I am a big fan of dark romance, and I got into Readerverse very recently with the book God of Malice. So this is the second one. So I already have the first one. So if you haven't seen it yet, I got it from Misho, so you haven't seen it yet. So I've already done one more book haul, so the previous one, so you can definitely go and check it out. I'll give the link in the description. So this is the second book of the Legacy of Gods series. So I've already put a bookmark here because I've already started reading it. Now, so it is quite similar to the first one because, see, the book is quite shiny from the back, from the front. It's quite shiny and it's quite similar to the first one because the font and everything is, see, again, it's not similar to the first one, but it is manageable. See, if you are a student and you want to read in books like these, so Misho, I think, is an appropriate option because not everybody can afford books which are like, see, this book is around 600 to 700 if you're getting the actual one, so it is not possible for everybody to like get the book, and I got it for 171. Okay, so prices may change, increase or decrease as per the time. So I got this for 171 rupees. Okay, so this is the quality. Okay, more dark romances. So these two are Lights Out and Caught Up. So there's a third book which is, I think, not released yet, or if it's released, I don't know. It's not available in Misho. So this is Lights Out and Caught Up. So this is the first one. This is the second one. It's by Navisa Ellen. So these are pretty good. These are in a pretty good condition. I mean, these things are fine. These are in a pretty good condition. Checking the inside. Okay, now font is, if you see, font is a little distorted. I mean, it's not there's a thing where, you know, the font actually overlaps one another. So I think this happens with this book, but it's quite alright overall. So I got this for 226 for 2 books. 226 for 2 books. Okay. White, good. White, good. Okay. And one more is Hooked by Emily McIntyre. So this is like the Never After series. This is like the first one. So it's a total of 6 books, 7 books. So I got the first one. Same with I got like God of Malice, because I wanted to check if the series is good or not. So I take the first one and see if it's good, and if it's good, and then only I will buy the rest of it. So this is Hooked by Emily McIntyre. I got it for 174 rupees, 174, yeah, 175, I don't remember exactly, but it was something around 170. So now the problem with this book is that, can you see that it's a very short book? So actually the Never After novels are not quite short, okay? Now the problem with this book is that the font is very small, or rather I would say they tried to fit everything in like a single page, so the number of pages have decreased. So this is like a big disadvantage of this book. Otherwise the whole story is available. You can, so if you read it, if you take the original one compared to this, the whole story is available. So the story is same for both. I think the Misho one is a little bit thinner than the actual one. Otherwise it's okay. Last one, I got a thriller by Frida McFadden. It is War D. Now so since I like to follow a little bit of book readers on YouTube, so I've heard like a lot of reviews from them that War D is one of the most twisted books of Frida McFadden, and the twist actually shakes them when they actually read it. So I got this book. Now the interesting part is that I got this book for 98 rupees only, okay? 98 rupees only. So it's a short book, not like very long. And yeah, font is again a little disoriented. Page quality is very good. I mean, page quality is absolutely fine. Now font is a little bigger, a little disoriented. Other than that, the book is absolutely perfect. Okay, so this is like a little recommendation. So if you want to read anything which is thriller, you want to start anything which is thriller, please, you can go for this book. You can start with What D by Frida McFadden. So that was it for my book haul video this time. So I know like I post only book haul videos for my long format, but I feel like I like this kind of videos. So and honestly, so like attention span and everything happens when you are posting like long format for books, and I don't get like enough views for that. So I know it's like a plain, like a periodic thing which is happening, but I get a response. I see that like people actually see my videos, so I kind of do these and it's fun. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.